Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors LLP Property Channel. In this short video, I am bringing your notice the best opportunity to own a villa in a gated community close to Hyderabad city. And this is Lansam Ivana Villas in Chevella. This is very unique concept and connecting with nature. This project spread across 34 acres. 251 villas, plot size 400 square yards, built up area 3,500 square feet, G+1 floor, price range 3.4 crores. Why don't you miss this opportunity? Definitely you will own a villa if you are looking for a villa in the vicinity of the Chevella where you are close to nature. This is you are looking, and with all world-class amenities they are developing this project with 5 clusters in 34 acres. Please call us for brochure, pricing, site visit and the display number. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more real estate updates and videos. Thank you so much for watching.